Hello everyone. I just got off of work today, and what I normally do when I get home is I do my cash outs, and one thing I like to do is my $2 instant PayPal cash out on Perk. So I'm going to do I'm going to show as much of this as I possibly can to show you proof and how fast this cash out can go for you. So I got the Perk website pulled up right now on my phone and on the computer, and this is where you're going to go to get this. You're going to go to rewards, instant PayPal, and then select $2 and then hit redeem. I'll show you on my phone as well. Same thing, I'm logged in to the same account, my personal account. Rewards. I'll go ahead and use my finger here. Sometimes it may take a minute to load up. I'll pull it down if it does that. I've also got my PayPal pulled up as well. And before I do the cash out, I'm going to show you guys that I don't have any cash outs for today. And then we'll pull it back up, and then I'll show you how fast it comes in. So there you go. You're going to select your $2 and then you're going to hit redeem, but I don't want to hit redeem yet because it's going to pull up my personal information and I don't want to expose that. So let's go ahead and check out my PayPal first before I do this. This is my recent activity, and I'll even refresh it. So today is February 5th, 2019. I have no transactions under my activity. Okay, so let's go back to Chrome. I'm gonna go ahead and do this in the back screen here. So after you hit redeem, it's going to pull up your name, email. Now make sure that your email is the right email for your PayPal and not, like for me, for example, I use a different email to log into Perk than I use for my PayPal account. So you want to make sure that you change that over to the correct email, which I'm doing right now. After you do that, if you have to do that, there's a phone number, your address, and all that jazz. Alright. I got everything filled out. Then you scroll to the bottom and then hit submit. And now it's redeeming. Here we go. Let's go quickly to PayPal. See how fast I get this. It is this phone is set up at Eastern Standard Time. It's 8:25 a.m. Okay, for some reason it logged me out. Hold on a second, guys. I don't know why that happened. Alright, let's try again. Now, on my phone it says I got $2 already. There we go. That took but a few minutes. So there you have it. Instant PayPal, super quick. And now I can actually take that money and transfer it to my bank account if I wanted to. Which I do pretty much. So that's it. I mean, I just want to show you guys how quickly and how easy it is to do a instant PayPal cash out. I hope you liked the video. Give me a like if you liked it. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.